guys, welcome back to 365 Days of SEO. This is Christian Bullock. Today we're talking about a technical SEO topic, and this one is very timely. So we're talking about the algorithm update that Google has pushed live yesterday, June 17th, 2015. So this isn't really any news to anyone, but Google, other than other search engines, update their algorithms, possibly hundreds of times a year. However, some algorithm updates will just see more of a greater fluctuation of keyword rankings and results than other ones. So this June 17th update, we're seeing a lot of different stuff happening. And it's not really, and Google has confirmed it's not a Panda or a Penguin update. Panda being something that's focused on content, right? So eliminating those websites that are ranking well with thin content versus a Penguin update, which is targeting those websites that have a lot of really low quality links to it. So they're really focused on the quantity, not the quality. So Google has said, hey, this algorithm update that we push live, it's just sort of a normal one. It's not really based off of Panda or Penguin, but it's an algorithm update that we push live. And we're seeing so far that it's kind of like the May 1st update, and that update was kind of dubbed the Phantom update. And again, this is something where Google wasn't very specific as to what they did, if it's a Penguin or a Panda specific update, or if it was something else. But what we can tell so far is that it's a little bit more Panda than Penguin. And that makes sense, because if you think about it, millions of web pages are created every single day. And from a Penguin aspect, we're really kind of getting ourselves distancing away from, link farms, reciprocal links, etc. So maintenance in terms of trying to get rid of those, far less than Panda, where it's all about content and getting rid of that thin content, that really quickly spun up content that's really kind of created for ranking purposes that could potentially secure ranking, but Google knows from a usability aspect, someone going to one of those pages because it's a top result, it's not having a good usability factor when it comes to using their search engine. So the June 17th update today, really, I'm calling it the core update. Really hard to tell what it is exactly. It could be another one of those phantom guys, but really my thinking is it's really focused more on, thin content, getting rid of those. Some people are saying that they're seeing a fluctuation a lot because Wikipedia recently went to an HTTPS versus what they were before, HTTP. And we know that Google says they give a little teeny tiny bit of a rankings boost for secure web pages. And people are thinking just because Wikipedia ranks so well for so many keywords that just having that shift is showing an algorithm update and change. But I'm not really thinking that's the case here. I think it's more or less maintenance of really targeting those thin content pages that are ranking well. So again, if you have Google Analytics or any type of analytics, you should definitely add an annotation for June 17th, call it the algorithm core update. You shouldn't really be seeing things the first week or two, but after 3 or 4 weeks, look back and start doing some comparisons pre-June 17th and post and seeing if your website is being affected. My name is Christian Bullock, 365daysofseo.com. See you guys tomorrow.